Hi, what's going on? I'm guessing you're learning English either to communicate with friends from other countries or to advance in your career. Did you know that to achieve a C1 level of English proficiency, you need to know around 10,000 words and actively use 5,000 of them? Interestingly, a typical native speaker already knows around 10,000 words by the age of 7. But how do they learn so quickly? Well, they simply listen to their parents, friends, and try to repeat what they hear. However, if you don't have English-speaking friends or family to practice with, you may find it challenging to learn at the same pace effortlessly. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Did you know that AI can be an excellent English teacher? At english-ai.org, you can access an AI-powered learning application that generates perfectly natural sentences, as well as funny and engaging stories to make your learning journey more emotional and help with your pronunciation.
John wanted to impress his date with his vast knowledge, so he started talking about his favorite hobby, bug collecting. He found the topic of bugs fascinating, but his date was less than amused.
It's a well-established fact that we tend to remember new information more easily when it evokes strong emotions in us. All you need to do is log in with your Gmail account, select your native language, and you're good to go. While listening and remembering, you'll extend your passive vocabulary. But what about practice? The app will ask you a few questions, which you should answer out loud.
1. What is the most fascinating thing you have ever seen?
Additionally, you can use the Google pronunciation button to improve your accent.
Fascinating.
Another way of practicing is asking your virtual assistant, "Hey Google, show me pictures of the most fascinating places." Now, you can acquire new vocabulary at an astonishing rate. However, you might still be wondering which words to study first. Fortunately, that has been taken care of. Just click the Choose Popular Words button to access a list of about 18,000 most common English words, arranged by their frequency of use. You can adjust the slider to the right to access more advanced and rare words. Find a page with at least 2 unfamiliar words and click on them. Once you've chosen words to study, you can go back to the vocabulary section, select one of the words, and start learning. But here's the catch. Many people study words but forget them after some time. Such a waste of time. To prevent this, the app has a Next Word button that will automatically show you words you studied some time ago. This way, you won't forget any words you've learned. I'm curious about how you study English words. Feel free to leave a comment below to share your approach. Take care.